Hello Minters, this is Kristen from MYNT3D with some beginner projects that make super gift ideas for Father's Day. Start by drawing directly on your free downloadable project template. Gift idea number 1 is a Spider-Man wine stopper. Next up is Batman. We have both logo versions that can be customized for Dad. Finally, there's Superman, which we're making into a golf ball marker that can clip onto Dad's visor brim or pocket. All of our superhero stencils can be adapted to many practical 3D pen gifts for the superhero in your life. Happy Father's Day from MYNT3D.